Hey there, buddy. So today, I want to chat with you about Azure AD Identity Protection and its reports. You know, that nifty tool in the mix for keeping organizations safe online. Picture this, as the world taps to, swipes, and logs in, it's the identity protection reports ensuring folks are who they say they are, right? Let's get real about these reports and explore how they keep our digital fortresses fortified. You've heard Azure AD Identity Protection? It's this sleek, digital gatekeeper in Azure AD that's always on the lookout for sneaky risks like leaked credentials and, funny enough, not recognizing friendly hands during signings. Now, imagine these as the bad guys trying to slip into our systems, and trust me, this tool's got spies, notebooks, to catch 'em and report back. So, diving headfirst into it means understanding what's in those reports, and using their intel could be a game changer for a company's security. First off, the tool offers two reports. Let's talk risky users and risky sign-ins, each serving unique intel on the identity threats lurking around. The risky user report, for starters, is like this spy that tracks users that seem out of tune with the usual patterns, maybe a new one or someone always logging in from odd locations. It's like knowing someone's always been lurking in uncharted woods. This report's got user-level info, and what's awesome is its intel's actionable. You actually get a heads up to take a closer peek or maybe even a pause. Then, swoop in the risky sign-ins report. Think of it as this vigilant bird eye from above, noting when things aren't adding up, like when someone's logged in from a foreign land without a return ticket or on devices that look like they rode on pirates instead of in a taxi. This report nabs details about the anomalies, and it's so specific that you can spot patterns, get some real clues, and even get notified about the sneaky changes in risky profiles. Think of another report called Sign-in Log Reports. It's like keeping a diary of sign-ins, but instead of writing down the facts, it categorizes them as normal or suspicious. Now, this report's a lifesaver when it comes to finding out if an untested device or location tried a hand at signing, because it's got all this data sorted for inspection. Let's not forget sign-in activity reports, shall we? This is where your digital calendar comes full circle, displaying when suspicious sign-in attempts are spotted, how they're detected, and how users respond, like if they just got up to ponder, or maybe they hit confirm. Now, let's move to the sign-in audit reports. It's as if you had a magnifying glass and asked identity protection to hold the magnifying glass over user sessions. Here's the deal, it scans what's happening. If the user has done something odd like changing settings or passwords that they usually only do in their sleep. It's like an internal sleuth that looks at the activities themselves and sends the bad actors back. Then we've got this sweet sign-in actions report that's a guide for what can be done when anomalies pop up. Here, it lays out the steps: blocking, disabling accounts, and even kicking users off for repeated troublemaking. It's like the rulebook, what to do when trouble comes calling. Oh, and what about sign-ins by user report? It's like having an attendance list of all users that have signed in for their daily hustle. It's detail by detail on when they've signed in, maybe even if they've gone back home to take a break, everything that goes down. Now, let's zoom into the security recommendations report. This one's where the magic happens. It's like getting an energy drink for tech. It analyzes our users and finds ways to amp up our defenses. From setting up multi-factor authentication, which is non-negotiable, to tweaking password policies and even retraining users. It gives you a sneak peek of what a solid defense looks like. Last but definitely not the least, we have identity risk reports. This baby connects the dots between the risky stuff and your unique business profile, using the intel from all the other reports. It's giving you a report card so you know exactly where to focus your efforts. Okay. So, with all those reports at our disposal, imagine what they can do for our security arsenal. By analyzing sign-in patterns to spot the rogues, examining user behaviors for risky shenanigans, keeping tabs on how devices and locations stack up, dissecting audit logs for the nitty-gritty of security, recommending the best defense mechanisms, and linking risky activities to our individual business profiles. It's like having a personal guardian angel for our network. But hey, I ain't done yet. Why not become an expert yourself? Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more unfiltered chit-chat about digital safety, tech tips, and real-deal cybersecurity strategies. Stay safe and keep chatting. neeraj.qzz.io